Now here the second example of exercise 2.2, question number second. For a GP, first A is equal to 2, R is equal to minus 2 by 3 to find S6, that is to find the sixth term of geometric progression. Now see here the given value, first term is 2 and common ratio is equal to minus 2 by 3. So to find the sixth term, S6 is equal to. So using the formula, Sn is equal to A inside the bracket 1 minus R raised to n upon 1 minus R is a less than 1. Because the ratio is in a negative. So substitute here all the values. S6 is equal to value of A is a 2. 2 inside the bracket, 1 as it is, minus R raised to n, that is minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 6 upon 1 minus 2 by 3. So after calculating this to get 2 inside the bracket, 1 minus 2 raised to power 6 is a 64 upon 3 raised to 6 is a 729. Whole divided by 1 plus 2 by 3. Here denominator is not common or equal. So calculate and equal the denominator. Then to get 2 inside the bracket, 729 minus 64 upon 729. Whole divided by 3 into 2 is a 3 ones a 3. 3 plus 2 upon 3. After solving this to get 729 minus 64 upon 729. S6 is equal to 2 inside the bracket. 9 minus 4 is the 5. 12 minus 6 is the 6. And here 665 upon 729. So to get 3 plus 2 is a 5. 5 by 3. So this whole divide goes to on numerator to get reciprocal of 5 by 3. So to get S6 is equal to 2 into 665 upon 729 multiplied by 3 by 5. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12, 3 threes are 9. Same 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 3 are 15, 5 threes are 15. That is to remain S6 is equal to 133 into 2. That is 2 into 3 is a 6. 2 into 3 is again 6. 2 ones are 2. 266 upon 243. So to get the value of S6 is equal to 266 upon 243. Now the B question, S5 is equal to given 1023. R is equal to 4 to find the first term of this geometric progression. Now here the given value S5 is equal to 1023. Also R is equal to 4 to find A, that is the first term of geometric progression. So using the formula Sn is equal to R is a positive, that means to get R is greater than 1. So using A is equal to R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. So substitute here values Sn, that is S5 is given. So to get S5 is equal to value of S5 is 1023. S5 is equal to value A is as it is. R raised to n, that means R is given 4 raised to value of n is 5 minus 1 upon R minus 1, that means 4 minus 1. So value of S5 is 1023. So here A inside the bracket 4 is to 5, that means 4 multiplied itself 5 times to get 1024 minus 1 upon 3. So to get 1023 is equal to A inside the bracket 1023 upon 3. So to get 1023 is equal to 1023 into A upon 3. So this 3 is a divide, goes to the side, it get multiplied, that is 1023 multiplied by 3 is equal to 1023 A. So to find the value of A, so also this term multiply goes to the side to get divide, that is 1023 into 3 upon 1023 is equal to A. So 1023 we cancel, therefore to get the value of A is equal to 3. So this is the solution of the second example of the A is equal to A is equal to 3. Now the third example of exercise 2.2. For a geometric progression, if A is equal to 2, R is equal to 3, Sn is equal to 242, then to find n. Now here the first term is given, A is equal to 2, common ratio is 3, and also value of Sn is equal to 242. given, Sn is equal to 242 to find the value of n. So using the formula Sn is equal to a inside the bracket r is greater than 3, r is greater than 1, that means to get the common ratio is a positive. So using r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1, that is r is greater than 1. Substitute all the values. Sn is already given 242, value of a is 2, r raised to n, that is 3 raised to n minus 1 upon value of r is 3 minus 1. So to get here 242 is equal to 2 inside the bracket 3 raised to n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 is a 2. So to get 2 will be cancelled. 242 is equal to 3 raised to n minus 1. This minus 1 goes to other side to get positive, that is 242 plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to n. So to get 243 is equal to 3 raised to n. That means to get the value of n is equal to 5. And here to find n, so to get the value of n is equal to 5. Now the fourth example, for a GP, T3 is equal to 20, T6 is equal to 160 to find S7, that is 7th term of geometric progression. Now here the given T3 is equal to 20, T6 is equal to 160 and to find S7. So let A is the first term and R be the common ratio, then nth term of geometric progression is Tn is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. Here Tn, that is third term, is given, that means to get T3 is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. Here the value of T3 is a 20. 20 is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. Similarly to given T6, that is sixth term of geometric progression. So to get T6 is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1 and the value of T6 is equal to 160 is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. So to find S7, that means to first find the a and its common ratio, that is the value of r. Here the third term is given, that is value of n is a 3. Then to get 20 is equal to value of a as it is r raised to n is a 3 minus 1. That means to get 20 is equal to ar square. Give the equation number 1. Similarly to substitute here the value of 6. Then to get 160 is equal to a as it is r raised to value of 6 minus 1. That is to get 160 is equal to ar raised to 5. Give the equation number 2. Dividing equation 2 by 1. So to get 160 upon 20 is equal to ar raised to power 5 upon ar square. So base is common. So to get subtraction of its power, that means to get 0 0 cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. To get 8 is equal to r raised to a cancel, r raised to 5, r raised to 2, that means to get only r raised to power 3. So to get here the r cube is equal to 8, that means to get the value of r is equal to 2. It is a common ratio, r is equal to 2. Substitute the common ratio in the equation first, then to get r is equal to 2, put in the equation 1, then to get 20 is equal to ar square, that is 20 is equal to a inside the bracket, r means 2 square. So 20 is equal to 4r. This 4 is multiply, goes to the side to get divide. That means to get the value of 20 upon 4 is equal to r. 4a. So to get a is equal to 5. So to get the first term is a 5 and common difference is a 2. So to find the T7th term of geometric progression, that is using the formula Sn is equal to r is greater than 2. So Sn is equal to a inside the bracket 1 minus r greater than, so r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1, and here r is greater than 1. That means to find the S7 term. So S7 is equal to value of A is 5. Inside the bracket R is 2. 2 raised to 7 minus 1 upon R is 2. 2 minus 1. So to get S7 is equal to 5 inside the bracket, 2 raised to power 7, that is 2 multiplied 7 times. Then to get 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, again 2 to the 4, multiply by 2. 4 4 is 16. 16 into 4 into 2, that is 16 into 4 is 64. 64 multiplied by 2 to get 128. 128 minus 1 upon R is 2, 2 minus 1. So to get only 1. So S7 is equal to 5 inside the bracket. 128 minus 1 is 127. So multiply inside the bracket to get S7 is equal to 5 7s are 35, 3 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 and 1 6. So to get the 7th term of geometric progression is the 635.